The apples, they're floating! The coins vanished! Poof! And the doors, they're opening!
What's happening?
It's a ghost! No, it's a curse!
Everything's disappearing! Grab me your knives!
The curse is real!
Don't worry, I'll find whoever is doing this.
At the animal marketplace, the footprints suddenly speed up. Orange Supercat leaps across rooftops under the moonlight, chasing something no one else can see.
Time to reveal the invisible. My glowing dust will find you.
Oh, no, me. Ha! No more hiding. Whoa, my device. Never catch me! Not so fast!
My device! Justice prevails!
I'm sorry. I'll give you a second chance, but use your skills wisely.
Everyone knew no one could hide from the courage of Orange Supercat.